Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef, and I hope your people are doing well and staying safe at home. Today we are going to make raisins out of green seedless grapes, and this is a very simple technique that we are going to show you. And for this we have just kept the grapes out for 4 days and it's just come out perfectly well. So please come along with us and see this video how it is made. To make our raisins at home, we have taken 400 grams of seedless grapes. The next step is to steam our grapes. For this we need to place our grapes onto the steamer plates. Place those grapes into the steamer and then cover the steamer. Now the water has begun to boil inside the steamer. Our next step would be to lower the flame and cook the grapes for 3 minutes on medium flame. Next we need to check whether the grapes is cooked or boiled. For this we need to open the steamer and check for any cracks that appear on the grapes. So if the cracks appear, then the grapes are fully cooked. Since our grapes are fully cooked, we need to take it off the steamer and then we'll wait for the grapes to cool down before we move to the next step. Now we have taken our grapes outside, and if you see these grapes, they are nicely cooked. So they are nice soft, as well as we see cracks on them. The next step we will be proceeding to place them on a plate. As we have now placed the grapes onto the plate, we need to spread them out a bit. So if we spread them out, there will be ample sunlight hitting onto the grapes and they can become raisins faster. So we spread these grapes out. Also we can use a cloth to spread these grapes out. It's not necessary to place them only on a plate. It is not necessary that we need to put them into direct sunlight. We live in an apartment, so we just place it outside. And let's see what will happen to the grapes after 3 to 4 days of keeping it for drying. These are the grapes that we have placed in the sun after the first day. If you see that their colors have started to change from green to brown. Also they have become a little soft. This is day 3 of keeping the grapes drying in the sun. As we see, they have now changed their color totally from green to brown. Now we need to flip these grapes individually so that they get the maximum sunlight, and we thought we'll keep it for 1 more day for drying. This is the grapes after 4 days of drying, and we see that they have totally changed the color from green to brown. Also, we have kept this for 4 days because it was raining in Bangalore, so we thought we'll keep it for 1 more day extra. Also, from 400 grams of grapes, we have got around 50 grams of grapes only. It is not very profitable, but however, the idea of having clean homemade grapes is the best. Well, we hope you like watching our video, and we request you to like, share and comment on our channel. This will really help us to improve our programming content and find newer recipes that we can churn out every time. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell icon button. This will keep you informed of future videos that we release. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.